My beautiful people, welcome back to another video with your boy ONG Sleazy, and today we are going to do a weekly market breakdown. For those of you who are always going to be tuning in, make sure you tune in every week. We will be breaking down the market and making that money. My beautiful people, I hope you guys can get something out of this, some knowledge out of this, and develop your skills. So my beautiful people, first things first, we just want to look at USDJPY, because why? We just love it, bro. I just love USDJPY, bro. It follows so much. But yeah, first things first, always jump into the weekly time frame. And as I jump into the weekly time frame, I can already tell that USDJPY has been very bullish, and I wanted to actually break this high over here. Why? We did not have a clear break of structure over here, so chances are we could actually break the high. Okay, so first things first, as always, we are looking at trends. I'm not just at overall. That's the word I'm looking for. We're looking at overall support and resistance, higher time frame support and resistance, let me rather say it. And from there we just jump into the lower time frame. Let's jump into the weekly, to the daily time frame, and start looking for the trends. The strategy that I'll be trading is trends in trends. Always I will say shout out to the FX codes for that one. And okay, so yeah, as you can see, we are currently in an uptrend, and basically I'm expecting USDJPY to continue this bullish momentum until we break that high overall there. So my beautiful people, in this coming week, we just want to look for an entry that we can be holding for a majority of the week. Let me just quickly highlight this one, because this is a very strong point sensitive area over here. And then we jump into the 4-hour time frame to actually look for the entries that we're looking for. We already know that we're looking for buys. We're looking for the markets to continue with this bullish momentum. So let's just quickly clone this one, give it a friend, and there we go. We cloned him, given a friend. Let's look for any sensitive areas. So we wanted to actually give us another touch at the top, so we just wanted to continue going bullish. So as you can see over here, we have somewhat of a sensitive area over here. I don't like that one. I instead like this one, right? So we have somewhat of a sensitive area over here. So if we can actually retrace into this point over here and get us a third touch, I would love to see the market continue to break past that level. Or if we can break to the upside and continue pushing up, we could go bullish the rest of the week. But obviously that is the probability, that's the high probability that we're looking for. But there's also a possibility of actually breaking towards the downside, right? We always have to look at the possibility and the probability. You know, we are looking at the probability. The probability is as we push to the upside. The possibility is that we could actually crash, you know. So let's jump into the hourly time frame, see what the structure is looking like. And on the hourly time frame, as we're looking at the structure, we can see we have been playing between this channel over here. But in this channel over here, there are instances where the market impulse correction actually go back down, and currently it's very choppy, right? But even with this choppy state, there are some hints that we could continue to go to the upside. As you can see, we kept on breaking. We broke out of that point over there. Okay, we can use this. As you can see, we broke out to the upside over here, and we are forming another one over there. And we just need to see a breakout over there to the upside, and boom, the buys will be in. So let me just look for one more sensitive area and see where we can actually catch an early entry from, and from there we fly for the rest of the week, hopefully. Cool. So this point over here, I would love to take my entries over here at this point, and let's just jump back to the higher time frames. I would like to take my entry at this point from here. We just push to the upside. I don't think we're gonna go the whole way by the end of the week, but that's the general target. Open the wrong things now. Let me just edit the stop loss over there. Okay, cool. So my exit criteria for this trade would be this low over here. I would like to close this trade as soon as it breaks that low. So we can just drag this down a bit, meaning now a smaller account will struggle to hold these trades over here. So a smaller account, I would advise for you to look onto more momentum type of entries instead of actually taking that entry over there, or instead, to try and be safer, we put it over there as our point of invalidation. But there's chances that we can actually push to the downside and get that touch over there. So yeah, it's all based on how you're looking to enter, but if you can survive, then the stop loss can be that low over there. And to be much safer and get that breakout retest entry, here is the safest entry. That is a risk entry. Here's the safest entry that I can give you. We have a push to the upside, retest, and then boom, stop loss would be right below this level over here. So here's the re-entry, stop loss right below there. It's quite bigger nyana, but there's a higher chance of us actually continuing in that direction for the rest of the week. So my beautiful people, I don't want to make this too long. We could look at other pairs, but that's not really what we trade that much. We trade USDJPY and Nasdaq at 4:30. So that's the analysis for the week. Obviously, you can comment down below and tell me what you would like to see for the upcoming week. What should I analyze? What should I not analyze? Etc. 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 What you want to see based on the strategy that I'm trading. But anyways, my beautiful people, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's spread the knowledge and let's make money. Azishe bafethu.